This board has one coat of primer kills. What you do is you prep the board like this. What I did is I got newspaper, you know, from wherever you stay. You get it, you open it. Once you open it, you fold the line through the middle in half, like so. Then you just position it, start taping it, and it should look like this. Once you're done, what I do is I do a quick little sand. 150, I use this right here, bare wood for bare woods, 150. This is my station setup. I like to do it outdoors because of the fumes and stuff. It's toxic, it's bad for you, so you need to do this like somewhere where it's well ventilated. I recommend you can do it outside if you can, or if it's possible. What I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use a royal blue Montana can, and I'm gonna use this Krylon right here, almond satin, and I'm gonna use the sandpaper, tape, and a duster. Get any brush, doesn't really matter. Any brush could be a duster. Okay, so right now we're gonna patch up these holes. Try to fix these imperfections. It has cracks right there. Fill up all 4 holes. We're gonna use Bondo. You're gonna mix this Bondo with this hardener for about 2 minutes. Put them together. You can use a spatula, or if you don't have an extra spatula, you could kind of just put it all on the block, and then mix it both right there, and then apply as much as you need in the holes.
You got safe?
So we're gonna get ready to Bondo right now. This side is already Bondoed, sanded, ready for another coat of paint. This is what it should be filled like. Once you apply the Bondo, I kind of like to fill it in more towards the inside of the hole. Once it gets up here, I kind of like to pack it on like this. I'm gonna do a demonstration on this hole right here on how it should be, and you should let it dry once you apply the Bondo. And this one we're gonna fill it in right now. So first thing first, you open your Bondo up, you get a scoop, which you're gonna need basically more or less. That's what I'm gonna use right there. You get your hardener. That should be more than enough. That's actually too much, but oh well. Mix them up. Oh, getting sloppy. Then you apply it. I kind of want to move it around. You overlap it a little bit, like that. And there it is, let it dry. Once it's dry, you get... So you let this Bondo dry for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's dry. You kind of feel that it'll get hard, rough. But anyway, when it dries, I'm gonna sand it with the sandpaper here. It's bare woods. It's a medium 100. We're gonna kind of sand in a circular motion, get an even little sand, and then we'll start priming. Once we finish, we'll start priming the holes, you know, so when we apply the second coat, it really won't be visible. Sand it and you'll be good. So it's been 15 minutes already. This Bondo's already dry. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get that 100 grit sandpaper. We're gonna fold it like so, and we're gonna sand it in a circular motion. Like so. You can also go in a front to back motion. Put most of your palm on there. Like so. keep it in a random fashion. You can dust off as needed. And when you're ready, keep sanding. You will know when you're already done sanding. Pretty much it'll just start coming down to the holes. You feel it, and if you don't feel nothing like any abnormalities, any holes or something that's lumping, you just keep sanding it until it comes down like that. That's when you know you're done, and you just primer it. Okay, so we're already sanded down the patches we filled in with Bondo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give it a quick spray over the holes. So when we put another coat on it, you won't even see the holes, because it'll be kind of like a second coat to it. Just spray it out, make sure it's not clumpy. And just go like this. Like so. Let it dry a little bit. Might want to do this a couple, 3 more times just like that. Filling it in. Once we put another coat over it, you hardly ever see those holes and you won't even notice that they were there. So we're going to put another coat of paint on this skateboard. The holes are almost covered up, you can barely see them. So I'll put another coat. This will be the second coat, and then another coat. Then we're going to start making the Dodgers sign in there. Start putting the stencil for the LA. So what I like to do is I like to start from one end and paint it all in one stroke. Don't be too close. And swing it in a back and forth motion like that. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing the stencil. What I plan on doing is applying the stencil here, do the measurements across, and how high I want it to be. Each letter is going to be 7 inches. I more or less, what I did is I found the measurement from here to here, 15 from each tape inches, and it's 8 across. And if you can see it, I marked with the measuring tape where every inch is. So this is a stencil of the L.A Dodgers that we're going to be using. Everything's nice and neat. I just wanted to show you how I did it. I did a grid down here, another grid on top, 8 inches across on both ends. I made sure I measured from the same end to mark those same inches so it's accurate. Like that, from here to here. Then I marked them, and then what I did is I kind of more or less figured out the same measurements. If I did 2 inch, I went straight down 2 inch, put a piece of tape, and I started measuring each letter, the height, 7 inches, and then now I'm just getting ready to paint it on. Start moving the unnecessary tape. Get ready to spray. Let's do it. Let's spray that royal blue. Watch out, back up. That actually looks pretty cool the way it is. I'm starting to like that.
go fast. Where is banana?
Okay, let's see how it came out. Still kind of wet, so I'll be extra careful. Already messed up right there. Try to be gentle. You can still screw this up. Just like I did a little bit. You mess up, it's not the end of the world, but just gotta be cautious, man. Let's try to get these out. And there it is, baby. L.A. Now you can customize this board however you want. I'm gonna go back and try to do some other stuff to it. But there it is right there. L.A Dodger board. Saw me do it. You can too. It's not this team, any other team you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're going to experiment with this board, kind of make it kind of cool, give it some style. Keep the original blue. Mix some purple. Okay, so what I did here is got a little playful with the Dodgers, you know, did a few tints with the royal blue and purple. Give you a feel of what we do. If you like it, man, or you want me to do one of a team that you like, or you want to order commission work, email me. Hope you like it and subscribe to my page. Thank you.